One of the key features of the ADU Resource Center is the ADU Wizard. The ADU Wizard allows homeowners to search their property and explore different ADU designs. Once you search for your address, the tool will show whether a backyard ADU is allowed on your property or not. Click Try on Lot to explore actual publicly available designs. The map shows you property lines and property setbacks and allows you to experiment with different designs and what they would look like on your property. Toggle back and forth between map view and satellite view, and between 2D and 3D. For more information on a particular design, click on the magnifying glass. From there, you can see additional photos and read a detailed description of the design. Click on the Can I Afford It button to access the financial calculator, which you can use as a starting point to explore different financing options. Finally, if you live in the Pioneer Valley, scroll to the bottom and click on Get Started to fill out a form and get connected with 30 minutes of free technical assistance.